Next, I'm going to show you how to use variables in your bash script. So let's create a blank one, make the script executable, and then add the shebang on top so we can get started. To create the variable, enter the variable name, followed by an equal sign, and then the value. The syntax is really important, as I'll show you later on in the video. We want to print out the variable using the echo command. You can access the variable using the $sign and then the variable name. You only need the $sign when accessing the contents of the variable. Let's save the script and run it to see what we get. We see that foo equals 123, which is what we'd expect. So now let's change the syntax slightly and add a space before and after the equal sign like some people prefer. Unfortunately, that doesn't work in Bash and we get foo equals nothing. Now that we fixed that, let's move on to another way to create a variable. Sometimes you want to capture the output of another command. To do that, encapsulate the command with the tick character, which is below the tilde on the keyboard. Don't get it confused with a single quote. Finally, we print out the variable using the same method as we did for foo. Let's take a look at arrays. There are two ways of declaring an array in Bash. The first is to set the indices of the array using the variable name and the index in square brackets. Here we're going to create indices for 0 through 3 for array 1. Next, we're going to create an array using the parentheses notation. Enter the array variable name, the equal sign, and then parentheses. You separate each element in the array with a space. To print the elements of an array, use the $variable name notation and include the index. One change here is that you need to use the curly braces around the variable name and the index. Finally, you can print the entire contents of an array by using the asterisk as the index instead. So let's run this one and see what happens. Here we printed off the value of array 1, index 2, and the contents of array 2, just like we wanted.